Say hi to the camera. Hmm? I'm kind of filming you. Eating your waffle.
I
Yeah.
take them for sure.
No.
Oh, like what?
I'm kind of filming you. Because it's fun. Ooh, a waffle. Can I eat it now?
No.
Please? Oh. Stella won't give me her waffle. Please? Please? Can I have that waffle? Oh. Oh, wow, that makes me feel welcome. Those are my waffles. My mommy bought them.
I was gonna say, did you buy
No.
them?
Oh, I like waffles. Oh, that's a lovely sight. Whoa, it's Club Penguin. Hee. Whoa, so low. Okay. Can I eat that waffle?
Nope.
Why?
Yes.
Is Shelby it's on my oh she is. You enjoying that waffle, Stella? Are you enjoying it? Oh, you're nice. Are you really enjoying that waffle?
Yep.
I'm thinking I would enjoy it more. Whoa, it's your head. Don't please.
She's like, why? I'm like, go away. And she's like, why? And I'm like, don't, please.
But then why did you tell her in the first place?
I'm having fun. And I know people were there.
Oh wow, okay. Hey, our video's like 2 minutes, 10 seconds long.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's like a record.
I know. Gotta kinda go in the video. I know. No, you gotta finish your waffle first.
Weeble wobble.
Weeble wobble, weeble wobble, weeble weeble. Why does she have to? What time is it? It's 12:23. You almost done with that waffle?
Nope.
Oh.
Let's go into the mystical, magical portal.
Ooh, a portal? I like portals. Finish your waffle. Stella, now it's 3 minutes, 5 seconds long.